Big game today. Today's game 4. Dallas Mavericks, Oklahoma City Thunder. So James is on his way. We are going to Dallas. He's driving because I'm very lazy. We're going to meet up with one of his friends and 2 of my friends, my college roommate, and then one of my neighborhood friends from high school that lives in Dallas. But yeah, should be excited. I'm stoked. Not that I'm a Mavs fan, but more of a Luka fan. And I like the Mavericks because of JJ Barea back in the day when he played with the Mavericks. But yeah, should be exciting. I'm excited.
Butterfinger on the side. We have a number 8 4-piece combo with a medium Sprite and a mini peanut butter cup blizzard.
Yeah.
$33.30.
Okay, thank you.
Are you gonna flip it over?
For what?
To see, never done that before? You flip it over to see if it stays.
Why?
Because it's supposed to not. It's supposed to not. I don't want to do it because I'm gonna spill.
Don't fucking do it.
Dude, the dirt statue is kind of sick. Yeah, so we parked at some bar. Happiest hour, and got ballet. I'm walking to the game. I'm not recording you, but I'm stoked. This is gonna be so exciting. It's like halfway through the first quarter, and we're about to walk into our seats. Yeah, they are. Kind of a fraud, but someone's got to be, right? For the homies. Let me go first, James. What's good? What's good? Are you here? That's fucking ridiculous. Uh-oh, is he hurt?
Blue Dart just tackles him for no reason.
Let's go back!
Getting through the hours like a half.
Well, sucks that the Mavs lost. I mean, when you shoot 50% from the free throw line, kind of expect that result. Other than that, though, it was cool seeing Seegers. I haven't seen him and Sydney since the wedding, and then I hadn't seen James in like a year since last summer. He was my old roommate in college, so it was cool catching up with both of them. Now James and I have a fucking 3-hour drive home. Luckily, I'm not driving though, so that's clutch. But that's gonna be it for today. So peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? Last time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want